Hey everybody, Scott Carson here, and I want to say thank you for dropping by and visiting me for a second here. I want to take a minute to actually invite you to check out one of my 4-day note buying for dummies workshops that I host across the country. As far as I know, I'm the only one out there teaching the note business that's actually rolling up his sleeves and doing it on a regular basis with and beside my students out there. My 4-day workshops are going to show you the nuts and bolts, the A to Z from start to finish, how you, whether you're a savvy investor or a brand new investor, how you guys can actually capitalize on the most amazing note market in history. I'm going to show you how to find deals. I'm actually going to show you how to talk to asset managers and make phone calls to banks. I'm actually going to show you how to underwrite deals, evaluate deals. I'm going to show you how to raise the money that you need to take these deals down. Oh, that's a big thing. You don't need your own cash or your credit to tap into the note market out there right now, everybody. One of the things I also do in my workshops is I bring in actual hedge fund managers to talk to you, to see that they're real people out there with real solutions. I'm also going to bring in a servicing company or two to actually help you with your back end, your exit strategies, so that you're not dealing with all the drama of homeowners out there. Okay, this is a 4-day intensive workshop. You want to be a serious investor. I like to try to keep my classes small too, so that you can ask all the questions you want. Along with the 4-day workshop, I'm going to spend some time, like I said, talking about raising money, but you're going to walk out with a 200+ page manual with all my forms and contracts on there, and also be able to network with everybody that's in the class too, because that's important. I don't know of anybody else that runs a workshop like I do. It's a lot of fun, but it's also gives you a true opportunity to take advantage of where you need to be with buying assets, whether it's notes, Oreos, whatever. I actually have realtors that love coming to my class because they've actually learned how to market realistically, which is a kind of a fun thing. So anyway, take an opportunity, sign up for a class now while there's still seats available, and we'll see you at the top.